All right.
Okay, so now this will take us all the way down to the bottom of the canyon.
Okay. Looks sketchy for me.
Nice. Nice.
All right. Super mountain bike territory. I'm very scared. Alright, today in the vlog we're gonna talk about these handlebars. What are they called, by?
Yep, Kanto bar.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk about the Kanto bar. It's the, what was it? Surly Corner Bar Replica.
Yep.
Here it is.
The that one. Oh, that one.
So, this used to have flat bars.
Yes, but it's felt uncomfortable man in long rides. Depends sa terrain po. Pero this is why I opted na lang sad para now with different hand positions. Like this one, if I want to chill. And this one. This is useless. Little hoods.
It's useless, you don't use it.
It took 6 months or 5 months para my hands will get used to it, to the fit. Okay, layo dyan kayo ang brake compared. So yeah, excuse the band-aid because wounded siya, wounded.
But this was too far.
Yes, too far yun. Like, I experimented the shifter here or brake cable here. Bro. Ang cons lang is I have to wear gloves yun every time. Okay, uncomfortable man eh.
This part. So what's your frame?
It's mountain bike frame, mountain peak, Vulcan. A mountain bike or XC.
Okay.
For cross-riding ride lang. Yeah. Drive train semi GRX 4430 and 1140.
Bro, I'm curious about the Kanto bars. Where did you get it?
Shopee online.
Oh yeah?
Like the first week, second week, Surly announced the Surly Corner Bar na replica sa Shopee.
Oh yeah? And this one is how much?
2,000 only.
2,000. What's it made of?
Chromoly steel.
Chromoly steel.
Heavier than the original, but I don't mind na lang sad because of the comfort that it has. Ang cons lang is, you know, wires.
The wires are out there.
Yep, dangling out there.
So if you try to put a bag or something, it's a bit annoying.
Bit much na lang yun if bag. Okay, if not.
Yeah, if it's a small, well, a small bag will fit.
Small bag would fit.
Hey man.
Hey.
So this is your third time here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just walk it if it becomes too difficult.
And then we're gonna make a left.
Okay.
But I'll stop that.
You okay now?
Nice.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, it is easy to pass.
The first time I went up there, and then I was like, wait a second. It kind of dead ends up there.
Alright, that is a bit tricky.
Enzo.
Alright.
Okay, so now this will take us all the way down to the bottom of the canyon.
Okay. Looks sketchy for me.
Nice.
Yeah, it's too much for me. Wow, nakuha ba ito? All right, super mountain bike territory. I'm very scared. So I ran into Michael. He was telling me of this trail that I've never been to. Took the opportunity to let him lead us down here.
And
It was super slippery.
the gravel bike.
I was like, so you're the part where you're like big rocks.
Yeah, that's new.
Now, I was okay. This is a bit much. Then I kind of stopped. I was like, oh yeah, definitely not rolling over that thing.
Yeah. And then there's some drops after that.
Yeah. I was walking right before this area. I was able to bike it a bit. And then I saw it. I'm like, nope.
It drops down.
Yeah,
again.
it just goes down. I'm looking at it. It's kind of slippery. Like I'm like, no,
yeah,
not for me.
A little sketchy in places.
Super fun.
Nah, just walking.
This I'm pretty sure I know where we are now. Yep. Chill. At Enzo, right?
So,
Yeah.
and then probably really slippery on the way down.
It's super slippery. Bye!
It's not a chill ride.
I'm sorry. How was it going down the single track, man?
This was supposed to be a chill ride, man. What happened? Yeah, it was good. Not gonna complain the best.
Great ride with Enzo. We were just supposed to have a chill ride because I wanted to check out his bike and ask him about the Kanto bars. And then we saw Michael, and Enzo and I were not prepared mentally to go down a gnarly single track. Man, Michael is a real mountain biker, so that was fun. The ride was 22.27 kilometers, 2 hours, 5 minutes, and 43 seconds moving time with 502 meters of elevation gain. Michael, it was good to see you. Hopefully we'll ride again in the future. Although I'll be honest, I was a little bit scared. No Born Days, please subscribe.